whoever has vilified people is Mr. Modi himself when he vilified Muslims as Ghuspaitias and having lots of children. But I heard Guruji talking about things which were not even part of the discussion. So that's very strange. Maybe he prepared his note and he spoke from there. So that's also fine because we are tolerant. Our religion is tolerant and our country is tolerant. So it's okay. But there were 300 smaller temples which had to be brought down for building this Kashinath corridor, and people have been asking questions on that. There have been no answers to that. In Kedarnath, the Hakakukdaris and the Panda Purohits have been on a strike since 10th of May when the yatra started, because their guest houses, their homes, they were all dug up because Modi ji wants to make a show out of everything, and he even got the steps to the Kedarnath temple broken. I want Guruji to respond to that. You don't want the architecture of the area of of Uttarakhand to be like it should be, in sync with nature. But when Modi ji talks about, when Guruji talks about Gujarat and the Chief Minister of Gujarat coming to Kedarnath because he wanted to rescue people,
my answers would be very brief.
Like Rambo.
Jasmine Sandhavania, go ahead.
But he said, I'm not going
I
to
quickly
take
want
out
to say,
because he became only
get a
the
chance to
Chief
talk.
Minister of Gujarat and he did not.
Jasmine, go ahead. I need to get in Pawan Sinha as well there.
Yes, if
Gujarat.
Madam would just